am Nareesh Garg. I am from Assam, Guwahati. This is the balloon power bottle car. It's based on Newton's third law of motion, which says every action has its equal and opposite reaction. When I blow air into the balloon, it stores energy in the form of compressed air. Action: when I let go of the balloon's opening, the air inside pushes out with force and makes the car move forward. The reaction is the car moving forward in the opposite direction. Should I demonstrate?
I didn't play for a while.
Now it moves using Newton's third law of motion. Thank you.